आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं एक लैपटॉप का, जो आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा धीरे धीरे। तो हम पहले अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं, फिर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा ये कौन सा लैपटॉप है। और तो पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं अनबॉक्सिंग। आप देख सकते हैं ये सेटअप गाइड है, हर लैपटॉप में देते हैं, तो सेटअप गाइड है ये। गेमिंग 3 और Ryzen 7 तो ये
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list. Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one? Now type your credentials.
आपके सामने है हमारा Lenovo IdeaPad गेमिंग 3 Ryzen 7 प्रोसेसर के साथ। बाय बाय।